In this lesson, you are going to become a master of there is, there are in Spanish. There is and there are is really easy in Spanish. We only have to use one simple word. It comes from the verb,
haber,
but it doesn't matter because we always have to say.
hay,
It doesn't matter if it is singular or plural, if it is masculine or feminine, or even if it is affirmative or interrogative. We always have to say.
hay.
Let's see some examples. Are there 20 students in your class?
¿Hay 20 estudiantes en tu clase?
Yes, there are 20 students in my class.
Sí, hay 20 estudiantes en mi clase.
Is there a store close by?
¿Hay una tienda cerca?
No, there is a store 30 minutes walking.
No, hay una tienda a 30 minutos andando.
Is there a handsome boy in the cinema?
¿Hay un chico guapo en el cine?
No, but there is a pretty girl.
No, pero hay una chica guapa.
And how is the negative? The negative form is exactly the same as we have studied in the present simple. We only have to add no before. There are not 20 students in my class.
No hay 20 estudiantes en mi clase.
There isn't stores close by.
No hay tiendas cerca.
If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.